Alright, guys, welcome back. We actually got back. We actually went to the candy store down in Roanoke, downtown. Mom here is going to do this challenge with us, along with Michael. And she doesn't know.
I have no idea what it is.
Yeah. So, first thing we got here is bacon and cheese crickets.
Yummy. Wow.
Right there. Second thing we got is worms, barbecue worms.
I think I'm gonna need another glass of water.
Alright. Third thing was we got some chocolate dipped insects.
Let's see those.
Let's see.
Do we even know what kind of insects?
Fourth thing we got is ant waffles.
Ant waffles.
Which one do you want to go for?
Who's all doing the challenge?
All of us.
Which one you want?
We're
all doing it.
Good old cricket's gonna be
So
first.
we want to go with these bacon and cheese crickets, I guess, first.
Okay.
Alright.
How many do we have to eat?
Well, there's,
Three.
I guess,
2 apiece.
2 apiece.
Okay.
Look at that. Yum, yum, guys. A lot of protein here. We got scissors to make things easier.
I don't know where they are.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Don't. He's got it open.
Alright, Michael, come on.
This one's lost his legs. Look, it lost its legs.
No.
Look, I'm ready to get this over with now.
Alright, so we all got the crickets here. So here we go. Not bad. Not bad, I guess.
I think I just popped its eyeball.
Crunchy.
It don't taste
you
like
just want to
bacon
get
and cheese.
these next. The worms.
It does not taste like bacon and cheese.
Well, this is barbecue. Let's try these.
Oh, there's so many more to
So
eat.
here we go. That's a lot of worms there. This is the insect edition of Pat's Vlogs here. I'm gonna give you a couple handful here.
You better make this even, boy.
I don't know.
2. I got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
There's Michael's.
That's enough.
Yes, the rest is mine. Alright, so there we go. Ready?
Here we
Here we
go.
go, guys.
I think that can taste better. I think. Oh, texture's a little funny. Okay, they're done. They're better.
Tastes a little bit better.
Oh, maybe not. I need water.
I think I need some water too.
Oh. All right, hurry
let's
up.
get to chocolate. We're gonna go with the chocolate insects now. I guess crickets and stuff.
Y'all better get some of this pizza before I eat it all. I thought there was some other pizza. Wasn't there pepperoni?
So there's the chocolate covered insects. Can't believe I'm eating bugs. This is like the first time I've ate bugs. And here we go. We each get a white and chocolate one.
So should we eat the chocolate one first or the white one?
It don't matter. It tastes a lot better. Chocolate covers everything.
Yep.
I don't know what I just ate.
I don't know either. But this might be a cricket. It tastes good. I'd say it's a lot better, huh?
Yep.
Oh, we're gonna try the ant waffles now. They're chocolate covered too, so probably would taste pretty good, but I don't know. Hopefully they don't taste like ants. You know that smell when you can have all those ants crawling around? You know that smell? That unique
I don't
smell?
know.
You don't know that?
I know I smell some steak
Oh,
and cheese
there's
pizza.
4 here.
Yep.
Elizabeth should try this stuff.
So ant waffle.
Hold on, I have to finish my pizza.
No.
I can't eat this with pizza in my mouth.
Oh well.
We're eating ants. We ate worms. We ate crickets. And who knows what else?
What is this?
Ants.
Ant waffles. Oh. I ate an ant. Oh. Oh man. Crunch. You know you when you get an ant.
Look at that.
Oh, I ain't trying to look at it. I just want to hurry up and eat it.
Well, there's one more of these. Who wants that? And one more cricket.
I'll eat the cricket.
You paid for it, so you can eat it.
Alright, I guess I eat this. So, there we have it. We just ate worms and crickets and ants and who knows what else. So, which one do you like the best?
I think I liked the chocolate dipped insects, to be honest.
I think I have to agree with her. I think the chocolate dipped insects were the best.
Yeah. Because you can't really taste any insect.
Yeah.
So, I think that's the winner. So, thanks for tuning in. And like and subscribe. And we'll see you guys in the next video.
Maybe next time we'll eat some real worms.
Ooh.
No, I'm good.
I don't know. But we'll see you guys later.